Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to find your Cash App QR code so you can easily share it to receive payments. The reason that you would want to know this is that your QR code is the easiest way for people to send you money without having to search for your username. It's a quick and simple way to share your Cash App details with friends, families, and even customers. This video is going to be especially useful for anyone who wants to streamline payment requests, whether you're splitting a bill, running a small business, or just looking for a faster and easier way to receive money. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to find your Cash App QR code. So first things first is you're going to want to locate your Cash App app. So for me, it's right here on the page, but if you're having trouble locating it, just scroll down and type in Cash App and it will bring the app up right here and just hit the open button. Now, whenever your Cash App is loaded, you're going to want to make sure that you are on page like this money page down here, and you can make sure of that by just making sure that this is a little bit lighter than the rest of the icons, and that icon is the one in the middle, the $sign. And once you confirm that, you'll notice in the top left corner that there is actually a little QR code logo. So click on that. And you'll notice that this actually brings up a scanner for you to scan other people's Cash App QR codes. And that's awesome, but that's not really what we're here for. We're here to find your code. So you'll notice it says my code, click on that and boom, you can save this, you can just share it, and that is the easiest, ultimate way to receive money on Cash App. So yeah, that's how you find your Cash App QR code. So now that we got the tutorial out of the way, here's some tips that are helpful that you can take back home with you. Tip number one is to make sure your Cash App profile is completed and up to date before sharing your QR code to avoid any potential confusion. Tip number two is you can save your QR code to your phone's gallery for easy sharing whenever needed. The third tip is to double check that the person scanning your QR code is trustworthy to avoid any unauthorized payments. The fourth and final tip is if you can't find the QR code option, update your Cash App to the latest version and it will more than likely be there. So there you have it. There's the tutorial and some tips about how to find your Cash App QR code. If you did find this video helpful, please be sure to drop a like on this video and also share it with a friend, share it with a family member, share this video with someone, but most importantly, be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials. And with that said, I hope you have a good one. Peace.